What does the future hold? Well, let's start there. I'm not sure what the future holds, but one thing I can tell you is that Yahweh, our Creator, has prepared a way for us. Through personal experiences, through challenges that I had, and even through reading scripture, I can see that the Lord has a plan for us. And because He has a plan for us, our future is secured. Even Paul was shipwrecked. Paul was stranded on an island. Many things not for him to fulfill his destiny. Yet he still did. If I think about King David, he went through difficult times, sinful times, overcoming times, yet the Lord held his future in his hands. Many times over, if we put our trust in the Lord, because many times people don't put their trust in the Lord. What does it mean when you put your trust in the Lord? Well, you're not stressed about what the future holds, and you trust the Lord's instructions. You trust that when He gives you an instruction, that it is the right thing to do. It is not uh, it's not just a suggestion when it comes to your future. It's important. Jonah was not supposed to be swollen by the big fish, but because he did not listen and he went his own way, unfortunately, he had to go through difficult times. If he listened in the beginning, it would have worked out good for him. If we just think over and over again, circumstances happens, challenges happen. But I can tell you out of my own experience that the Lord, when you are surrendering your will to Him, He takes care of you. Many times over, I thought this is the last, this is the end, but it was never the end because the world does not have the final say. The Lord does. Trust Him, rely on Him, and put your future in His hands. Father, I pray that we'll focus and surrender our will to you. Help us to trust and rely on you because you know better for our future. We thank you for your grace. We thank you for your mercy. We thank you for your kindness. We thank you for that in the name of Yeshua. Be blessed.